Okay, so far you have been installed the Anaconda. Now you will be having a question like where exactly this Python is and how to work on it. Okay, there are different method to work on a Python. One is by using a command prompt, like by using our background CPU itself. We can also work. Means we can use our command prompt is a where we can write our program. Okay, there also we can work, or we can work by using a other compiler like IDE we say means integrated development environment like Pycharm or the Jupyter notebook. Okay, these are some of the IDE. IDE is nothing but a platform where we can write a codes and we can execute those codes and we can get the output of that. Okay, with the first method I will show that by using a command prompt. Okay, command prompt is nothing but, for example, if you search here Anaconda prompt, this one, or if you go to your Windows menu, you have a Anaconda prompt, right? Anaconda prompt you have. So if you are click on that Anaconda prompt here, okay, or if you go to Anaconda also here, you will find this Anaconda prompt. There's a command prompt we see. Okay. Once if you click on that, the Anaconda prompt will be open. Okay. Now I need to enter into the Python, right? I need to enter into the Python. So I say Python. Or just if you write py also, we will be enter into the Python. It shows that which version of the Python you are using. Okay. Where exactly you have been used also. Now you are inside the Python. Py or Python directly you can write. Once you have been written that Python inside, you are inside the Python. Now I just want to print something. Okay, I just say simple command. It is print command. Print. I call the print print. Open the bracket. In a quote, I will open the quote and I will write that welcome to Finaculo Focus. Close the quote. Close the bracket. Enter, the output has been given. For example, I say print, okay, 2 plus 3. How much it has to print? 2 plus 3, 5, right? If I enter, 5 means output has been shown there itself, right? If I say some bit tougher command, I will show now. For example, I say if 5 is greater than 2, okay, I will give the colon. We will learn these things like how to write a code, if statement, all these things I will discuss in detail. Just I'm showing that how to use this command prompt. Okay, enter. Now I say print um, its bigger value. Okay, yeah, syntax error because here the way we have been written the things is not correct. The way we have been written the things is not correct. That's the reason we got a error. It says that indentation error is there. Okay, means here print statement should have some tab space. Okay, like this it has to be there. So we have a indentation problem. Like this, when it happens, if you are if you need to rectify here, it will not be possible. In a Anaconda prompt, it will be very difficult, right? That's the reason we are not using a Anaconda prompt for a learning or developing purpose. Just I wanted to show you that how Python works. I haven't taken this one. I'll just exit. Okay, I can exit from the that particular Python. Now again you are in a your base is nothing but your original environment, means you are in your C drive. Okay, I have been exited from the Python. Okay, this is the one method we can write a codes in a Python, but we are not preferring this particular method, so I'm closing this one. To ace out this one, we have the something called as the Anaconda Navigator. Okay, we have a Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. If you search as you will get, or if you go to Windows menu, Anaconda, Anaconda Navigator. If you click on that, it will open one of the page where all the id is nothing but how command prompt are there, some third party command prompts are there, means windows we have where we can write a program, we can correct our program, we can store our program, we can take a print of our program, all these things we can do that. Okay, that particular thing, that particular thing will be open when you are launching this Anaconda Navigator. It will take bit time to load all the features, all the things which is available in the Anaconda Navigator. Once it is ready, you will get one page, okay, where all the options it will show. We will see that one. We'll wait for a second. Okay, here it's still updating. Like it has so many options available. Do not show again. I just say that remind me later. Okay. It says that some new things are there. Would you like to upgrade that? I don't want to do this, so I said no. Okay. Here, this is a command prompt we have. This is a one more analysis tool, online data analysis tool. Okay. Like by using this one, like we say this, what we say Jupyter Notebook. The one more thing is the like Pycharm. Okay, is the product by the Pycharm. Okay, Pycharm is a one of the R Studio is a one of the thing used to this one. Orange is a one more thing, but like data mining framework we can do. Pycharm is a thing which is a which can be used to like what we say, it is also a id where we can write the program. Okay, python program. Spider also a python development program only. Okay, there are so many other, okay, pycharm community, all this, but most of the time we use this Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook, this is a web based like it can be edited very easily, and error can be identified very easily by using this Jupyter lab or a Jupyter notebook. So what we do, we will learn entire or Python machine learning everything with this particular Jupyter notebook only. Okay, so we no need to install anything here. Okay, once you have been gone through the Anaconda Navigator, okay, Anaconda Navigator, just you have to come to their Jupyter Notebook section, and we have to say launch. We have to click on a launch. When you click on a launch, first time it will take bit time because it need to set up, and I haven't used so far, so it will take a bit time. Otherwise, you will be launched very immediately. This is a Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Jupyter Notebook is nothing but it opened your system, but in a web page. Okay, on a Google or whichever the browser you have, on that browser it has been opened. Okay, this is all the files you have in your uh, C drive or one of your drive only. Okay, all the files we have here. Okay, we will show that how to work on this Jupyter notebook. Okay, how to create a folder, how to create a folder, and within that file, how to rename the file, how to rename the folder. All these things we will learn one by one in coming session.